Hey, first grade, we're going to do it velour style today. We are going to do early bird number 12. And I'm in the House of Velour, which was the original House of the Year. Sabio got House of the Year last year. They're great, but velour still rocks. All right. Miss Doe is also velour. And Miss Carter is Kaumba, which is a good one. We're all good houses, but I love my velour. Okay, so let's get started. The first one says color the words that start with T. Well, that's a t, a, b, tub. Yeah, starts with T. It says color the words. Well, I think we're going to color the pictures of the words that start with T. Okay, this is a t, oo, th, tooth. Yep. And we will learn about the OO pattern later this year. Next week, we will learn about the TH. P, I, G. No, I hear P at the beginning. This is T, E, N, T, tent. Yeah, that one starts with T. Okay, next part. A noun is a person, animal, place, or thing. Circle the nouns that are things. Person, animal, place, or thing. Well, house. A house, you can kind of look at it as a thing, but it's actually a place. It's where you live, right? What about marbles? Is that a person? Nope. Is it an animal? Nope. Is it a place? Nope. So it is a thing. We can circle that one. What about this thing? Is it a person? So it's not a thing. Someone swimming, is that a person? So it's not a thing. What's this? It's a pan. Is it a person? Nope. Is it an animal? Nope. Is it a place that you can go to? Nope. So it is, oops, I was about to color it. It is a thing. So what is this right here? This is a globe. When we have one in our classroom, it is a model of the earth. Is it a person? Nope. Is it a place? Earth is a place, but the actual globe is not. Is it an animal? No, it is a thing. What about a phone? It's a thing as well. It is not a person, it's not an animal, and it's not a place. You can call a place, but. Okay, sentences begin with a capital letter. They've got a capital T right here. The tent is red. The tent is red, and it's got its period there. We're going to trace over this sentence. Make sure you add your period at the end because it's super important. Again, pause if you need to, but I'm going to keep going. Okay, this thing right here, we just need to add ag to the end of all of these words. So if we add ag here, it becomes bag. If we add ag here, it becomes rag. If we add ag here, it becomes wag. The dog is wagging his tail. Ag here, tag. Everything that you buy most of the time has a tag. Write the numbers that come before and after. We're working with the number 7. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 7. What comes after 7? 8. And the number word for 7, we can actually sound out. It's not too hard. So it sounds out, or it starts off with s, 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 eh, e, v, 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 sev, n, n. 7. Oh. Okay, and tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut the door. 6, 7. 7 plus 1. 7 fingers plus 1 more gives me 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 2 fingers gives me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 3 fingers gives me, what do I have? How many fingers do I have? Sure hope I have 10 and not 9. I'm not missing a finger, or 11 that I have more. So that's 10. Then the way that I would do this, and I would teach you this in my classroom, 7 plus 4, because that's more than 10 fingers. We have more than 10 fingers. So the way that I teach my students to do that is I say, put it in your head and then count on. So they would put 7 in their head, 7, and then they would count on until they reach 4 fingers, because it's plus 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, count the total number of cupcakes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes plus 1, 2, 3 gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cupcakes. Okay, it asks you to draw 1 more star. Drawing stars is kind of hard, and I get that. That's like a skill that you have to practice over and over and over again. However, you can draw a star is okay. The way I draw a star is I come down, kind of curved over, go across, cross, down, up. That's a skill you gotta practice. So 1 more than 7 is how many stars? 8. Cross out 1 apple. You can cross out whatever one you want, wherever. 1 less than 8 is 7. Okay, last thing, color the tree that is taller. Color the tree that is taller, not smaller, taller. This tree is taller, right? And I want you to color it your neatest, nicest, the best way you can. Sometimes for Miss Dudley on this tablet, it is hard for me to color super nice, but if I was here in the classroom with you, I would try my very best to color it super duper nice. All right, that's all we have for this one. Not too bad, right? Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. You guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later. Bye.